What's up, everyone? Today it's Christmas and I'm here with my special guest, Snuggles, my dream puppy. Say hello, Snuggles. He likes scratches. See? So, today is Pet Day. I know it's Christmas, but today, just kidding, it's not Pet Day. Today, I'm bringing my new guest because I'm gonna open Happy Places Patkins. So, do you wanna look at it? You have to stick first. Okay, so, just Happy Places. It came from my auntie Cha, and Uncle DJ. Happy Places Kitty Kitchen Breakfast Delight. Exclusive pet kits with floral finishes. Decorate and display in 1,000s of ways. More patkins for your kitty kitchens. It's for ages 5 plus. So this is the back looks like. We have the girl that takes care of this kitchen, like bakes. This is the toy looks like. And Happy Places turn any space into a happy place. Shop. It came from chocolate. Make your kitty kitchen blossom at breakfast time with the Breakfast Delight pack and add some sunshine to your happy places as you decorate with these blooming faces with exclusive fresh flower finishes. These petkins will brighten up every morning. So you're ready to open it, guys? So let's open it. There's another scissors. Just like yesterday. I don't receive lots of gifts, but I'm proud. But my other auntie, Joy, she gave me 1,000 toy Kingdom or Toys R Us. What do you call that? Toy money, I don't know. But it's not even toy money. It's already nice. full box of this kind of toy. Okay, something's missing here. Different goofy faces. We have picture and goofy face and goofy face. Okay, I'm just gonna call my dad. Please stand by, guys, okay? The computer will turn off already, so borrow the charger, please. Dad? It's coming already, guys. So that's the one piece of paper. Table. There's floral designs. It's like this. Okay, next. What do you call this, by the way? I think you're gonna put the egg. Yeah. Do you wanna look at it, guys? There's no kind of a space. So you're not just gonna look at my face, but you already know me. Next is this one. Blue egg. We'll put in here or here if you like it, or here if you like it. Next, the lemon. Twin lemons. Where should I put it? Just steady, it said. One goofy face and one plain face. I think this is the knife. Looks like the knife. And this is the partner of the knife. This buddy boy. So, oh, wait a minute. I forgot to say another floral design in here. So that's already two. And another floral design. That's already two. You're gonna put the knife here. There. The knife will go here to keep it safe. And remember, kids, never use knife. Ask for parents or adults. Well, usually, always. It's a cup. A cup. This one we're gonna put it in the kitchen. I'm following the rules of the kitchen. Pop it out, and it's stuck. I cannot take it out. If you try it very harder, you are gonna get it now. there's another flower design. I'm not gonna put it, so skip. Next is the poster of the brand. It's so hard. Another flower design? Really? But you're gonna put toast here and ding, your toast is ready. Yummy. I wish. It's gonna be the awesome day. It's a pot that you can open. It came from the kitchen again. You may put the ingredients or the soup. The talking I do makes me hungry. Oh. We have a piece of a cake. It's very small. There are kittens. No flour. Here's the floral design. It's the cover for the box. Also came from the kitchen. Does it? That's it? Oh, no. It came from here. It's facing at me. Face at them. Here. Sure, they're gonna put the cake. The next is the cake. No flower design. It's combined together, so don't worry. Combine together. Once you chop your favorite licorice cake, you're gonna get it, and it's hard to chop it because they're not real. Come on, baby. Okay, you have to place it on. The piece of the cake is letter C. C. Another C. And the thermometer. I don't know what they call this, but let me talk in Filipino. Pinapakulot po ito pag gusto nyo pong mainit na tubig pag iinom po kayo ng kape. It also came from the kitchen. I know you won't understand, but guys, there's few more there. Okay. It's kind of a little bit heavy and what else is here? Yay, it opened! Open the cabinet. And another floral design cabinet. Let's decorate it, guys. Everybody. So it's done. So guys, if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment down below. What do you like, the floral or the plain one? Please comment down below. And Snuggles, you have to say goodbye. Aww. Say goodbye, Snuggles. Bye. just in the computer, subscribe anywhere. And comment down below, what do you like? The plain one or the floral one? The plain one or the floral one? Bye guys, I love you. See you at the next video. Love you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye guys. Gonna miss you. And Happy New Year. It's almost New Year, guys. Wait, bye guys. Let's get the best day ever. Bye. Always subscribe to my channel so you are awesome. Join to the channel. Bye guys. If you just joined to Kay's channel, you are joined to my team. So subscribe, comment down below, and like my video. And please help me to hit 1 million subscribers and 1 million likes. Bye guys, love you.